In your forester pruning system, you will receive a saw blade and a wooden handle. When this is assembled, this is for limbs that you can reach. Put into the cut, cutting backwards and forwards. Cutting only as high as you can reach. We just discussed about using your kit for a handheld saw. Now, with this blade and the adapter that will adapt to just about any broom handle that has a screw and shank, push broom handle, long reach paint handle, any of these will screw into this new system. Now we're ready to cut above our heads. Keep in mind, always watch above your job site so there's nothing that can fall on your head. But this is a lot safer than getting on a ladder. For long reach pruning, it's the same way as you start your saw cuts. This is a lot easier because you can put it on any extension.